Hello everybody and welcome to the fourth video in this first section, and in this video we're going to be looking at PGP, which basically is an encryption system that is used on the deep web, or actually is a very good encryption system that should be understood in order for you to communicate safely and securely across the deep web. So what does PGP mean? PGP basically stands for pretty good privacy. And that is a pretty good abbreviation, I must say. So let's get started. Getting started, let's understand what PGP is. So PGP, as I said, is pretty good encryption. It is a way to encrypt messages online, which I will get to in the future videos. So basically, it's used to encrypt email, texts, files, and more. And it is used on the deep web to share information that is sensitive or private. As I said before, it's a very good encryption service. It is the closest to military grade encryption. As I said, it's one of the best ways of encrypting data and sending it across the deep web, which is how it is done primarily. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that in the future videos later on in the course. So let's understand how it works in detail. So I have this very nice image here, and it's basically saying, how does PGP work? Forget about this GPG, that's just the opposite abbreviation. But basically, meet Sasha and John. Now, here we have Sasha who wants to write a message to John, okay, and the message is hello. So she encrypts the message with John's public key. So basically, John has sent her his public key, and she has encrypted the message with the public key, and then she has sent the encrypted message through basically the deep web or the dark net, and John then receives the encrypted message or file and then decrypts it with his private key, which only he has, and only he can read the message then, which is hello. So it doesn't matter if the message is intercepted in the middle right here, when it's being transferred across the deep web or the darknet. As long as he has his private key, he can access, he is the only one who can access the message that was or the files that were being sent to him. And as you can see, John reads the message, hello. So that's basically it for this video and this section, guys. This was basically the introduction to all that we're going to learn in this course. And in the next video, or in the next section, excuse me, we're going to actually go into setting up the basically the deep web environment. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the Q&A section of the course. Thank you for watching.